Hello guys, I'm Efe and today we are going to talk about how to write an article with prepared SEO settings. In the last session, I introduced you to the Rank Math SEO plugin and today we will be using it again to enhance our article's SEO. Before we dive into writing the article, I want to show you a few essential things related to SEO that you need to keep in mind. So, what exactly is important in SEO? First of all, it's critical to select the right keywords. But what do we mean by right keywords? In the simple terms, keywords are the terms people commonly search for Google. For example, how to do SEO in WordPress. And this could be one of your keywords. Other examples might include WordPress SEO, Yoast SEO, SEMrush for WordPress. These are all keywords that people might search for. You can also use Google Trends to find most suitable keywords for your content. Once you have found the best keywords, you can add them to your article. The second point is creating quality and original content. When writing an article, make sure your content is unique and authentic. Yes, sometimes you can use tools like ChatGPT or other AI tools for inspiration, but be caution as Google recently updated its policy on AI generated content. So if you are publishing content generated by AI, make sure to review it carefully and add your own original touch. Being original is the key ranking figure on search engines. Third key aspect is backlinks. Backlinks are external links you include in your article pointing to other sites. Let's see what I mean by this. You can check this example or blog site. It's quite simple. For example, if you have section like recent comment with a link to a WordPress commenter, that's a backlink. Look, when I click this link, it takes me to a different page. In this case, WordPress.org. So this is what we call a backlink, and you should include the relevant ones in your article. Next up is optimizing your title and meta description. This is a critical, but thankfully there is a tools to help you handle this with ease. You don't need to stress over it too much because these tools will guide you step by step. Let's move on to the final point. Your article should have at least 400 words. Writing a minimum of 400 words is important for SEO, so try to meet that requirement. With that covered, let's go to your article dashboard. This is our main WordPress dashboard. We are going to create a new post, so let's click the post and then add new post. Now we need to come up with good title for article. Let's go right how to write an article with SEO settings. Alright, that's our main title, and now we can start writing our article. Here's our blog post, and right below it we have the Rank Math SEO settings. These settings are really important and you should complete everything listed here. Also make sure to monitor your SEO score in this section. When you write something, don't forget to add your focus keywords here. For example, you could use SEO settings or article SEO settings as your focus keywords. Once you have done that, you should also complete the meta description. Click the Edit Snippet section to edit the description, permalink, and title. This will help improve your SEO score. Make sure to follow all recommendations provided by the plugin. It's really simple, so don't worry too much about SEO settings in WordPress if you are using Rank Math. Just really on this plugin, and it will help you manage a lot of SEO tasks easily. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video was useful, and I see you in the next one. See you later.